guys, it's James. Welcome back to the channel, the Derpy Kitchen. For today's video, we're making pizza. Hi-ya! That's right. You guys spoke, I listened. Everyone loves pizza. I freaking love pizza. Come on, guys. And now, you can make it from home, right down to the pizza dough. You're welcome. If you like what you see here, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and for more content like it. And click the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Also, I'm on Facebook and Instagram, at the Derpy Kitchen, if you'd like to follow along and get updates for that. On to the video.
Let's start with the dough. You need 240 grams of warm water sitting at about 90 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Add 20 grams of sugar and 7.5 grams of yeast and mix that up. Set aside for 10 minutes. Get the other stuff all prepped while you wait. Combine 450 grams of bread flour, 5 grams of salt, and 45 milliliters of virgin olive oil. Once the yeast is bloomed, put everything in the mixing bowl and start mixing. Mix it till a dough ball is formed, then knead it for 5 minutes until smooth and elastic. Once you've kneaded for 5 minutes, oil a bowl and its lid and let it rest for 30 minutes. While you wait, get all your toppings ready for the pizza. I'm doing a barbecue chicken pizza and a deluxe pizza with stuffed crust. Well, that didn't work. Apparently I'm not magic. So let's get slicing and dicing. I used ham, pepperoni, green and red peppers, broccoli, marble and mozzarella cheese. I cut the ham into small little squares so I can get them everywhere. I love ham. I sliced the pepperonis to a thin to medium thickness. I cut the peppers into sticks so they cook nicely. Remember to get all the seeds out because you don't want that in your food. Also, to make sure to buy the weirdest shaped pepper you can find at the grocery store. Cut the broccoli into preferably bite-sized pieces. Don't forget to put everything in cute little ramekins. Also, shred that cheese till there isn't any cheese left to shred. And don't forget about the onions that are in the fridge. Then cook the meats that need cooking, like bacon and chicken. Well, after you cut them into nice little pieces, I cooked my bacon on the stovetop till it was nice and crispy. I used a boneless chicken thigh that I cut into small pieces. After cutting it into small pieces, I seasoned with roasted red pepper and garlic. I cooked it on the stovetop, and when it was all done, I set it aside for building the pizza. Pizza time! Punch the dough as per usual, then plop it on the counter and cut it into 2 equally weighed dough balls. I used a metal bench scraper to cut my dough in half, but you can use a knife or anything you have lying around too. You can use a kitchen scale to weigh them or just eyeball it, as long as they look the same. Then flour the counter and start rolling out that dough ball to the perfect pizza. I made a rectangle because circles don't like me. Then build your pizza on the pizza stone you heated up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Then proceed to put cheese in the crust. I used half a cheese string, #not sponsored. I used a little bit of water to roll the crust in so it sticks to itself. When it's all rolled, it'll kind of look like a square if you did the rectangle shape like I did. Then add the sauce of choice. I started with the barbecue chicken pizza, so I started with barbecue sauce. Then spread it around to the sauce levels you like. Then add cheddar or marble cheese. I did marble for mine. Then I put the chicken, broccoli, and onions on the pizza and then put it in for 25 minutes. While that cooks, you can stuff the crust of the other pizza, but not on the pizza stone this time because it cooks the dough and it's really hard to make the crust. Then take out the other pizza and just admire it. Ooh, pizza. Yum yum. Once you're done admiring it, take it off the pizza stone and transfer it onto a baking sheet. And grab a friend or a significant other to transfer the dough to the pizza stone. Then this pizza is a deluxe pizza, so start with tomato sauce, then mozzarella, and then do pepperonis, ham, peppers, onions, broccoli, and bacon. But it can also be a good veggie pizza too. Take off the meat and add maybe mushrooms, spinach, olives, or your favorite veggie. Also, technically, this dough is vegan, so depending on the toppings you choose, it's good for anybody. That's the perfect thing about pizza. You can do it however you want and make it your own style. Now, these pizzas taste great. It's hard to make a bad pizza when you make it for yourself. Also, it's a good way to impress your significant other, seeing as today is Valentine's Day. But also, if you don't want to share it, I get it. I would eat a whole pizza by myself.
Thanks for watching. Pizza will never go out of style. The guy who invented pizza is a legend. If you decide to make your own dough and or pizza, make sure to post about it and tag me in it. I'd love to see what you guys topped your pizzas with. I hope you liked the video. As always, comment down below any thoughts. Subscribe if you're not already, and make sure your notifications are on. See you next Sunday.